This is a level 1 lesson. They're level 1 ESOL learners. Some of them aren't quite level 1, so it's quite a mixed ability group. And they are attending a listening and speaking course. So the outcome is for them to pass the level 1 EdExcel listening and speaking exam. So part of it is to show them that actually they can access things like authentic materials like BBC clips and not be completely daunted by it, and analysing why they found it difficult was because of accents or because of there were some peripheral stuff, but the main thrust was that the vocabulary was too difficult.
Recapping on the aims, we're looking at this, aren't we? You'll be able to use vocabulary related to the topic of global warming and changing weather patterns. So we've done a little bit already about global warming. What kind of vocabulary have we used about global warming?
Droughts.
Okay, pronunciation. Do you remember the ow sound? Droughts, very good. Okay, what was the opposite of droughts? Justina. Okay, this sound here. Do you remember this sound? What's this sound? So what's the word? Floods. Okay, any other words that you can remember? What about the temperatures? Rising, everybody rising. Okay, and Justina, what was that thing that you heard from the news clip? Homes?
Are at risk.
Okay, what was the disease that we looked at?
Malaria.
Again? Kike. Okay, and what was the other word when there's lots of insects around? Okay, so we've got some vocabulary about global warming, and now we're looking at the changing weather patterns. So the BBC clip that you've just looked at, which you found difficult, was because of this kind of vocabulary. You'll be able to use to agree and disagree in a discussion. So you've got some phrases already of agreeing and disagreeing. We're going to be using them again. Ari, give me your phrase of agreeing that you like.
I extremely relate.
Again?
I extremely relate.
Okay, do you want to check on your form? Have a look.
I agree
Say,
completely.
again?
I agree completely.
So you've chosen the same one. Okay, Kike, tell me your one.
That's just, I think. No?
Okay, check it and have a look.
That's what I think.
Okay, lovely. That's just what I think. Stress on the I. That's just what I think.
That's just what I think.
Good. Okay, Nina?
There's no doubt about it.
Lovely. Okay, disagree, Anna.
I couldn't agree less.
Lovely. Okay, Mana, disagree phrase.
I couldn't disagree more. I couldn't disagree more.
Disagree more. So we've got some of those phrases, okay, the agreeing and disagreeing, and we're looking at practicing the level 1 listening technique, which you've already done one part of. You'll be doing a second part. So we listened to a news clip about the weather. Did you find it easy or difficult? What was difficult about it? Miriam? Understanding. So listening, George, you're saying the accent. Okay, what else was difficult? It was very fast, and the vocabulary. What was the problem with the vocabulary? Technical, advanced, or formal as well, maybe. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on vocabulary, okay? We've got 3 groups. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you're one. Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Each group has some words from the BBC clip. These are the words that you are going to teach the other groups. In order to teach them, you need to be able to define the words and not spell them, pronounce them. The pronunciation is written with some of the difficult words in phonemics, so look at them carefully and see if you can transcribe. How are you going to learn these words?
You have to use them.
No, you need to learn them, Ari. Okay, but how do you know the meaning? Okay, we've got dictionaries here. The first thing, you work as a group. One of you in the group might know this word, so you can teach it to the others. If you don't know it, then one of you nominate to look the word up in the dictionary, okay? And then teach it to the rest of your group. That means that we can do it quite quickly. So say there are 3 words in the box, then 3 of you choose one word and then teach to the others. Okay? You've got just over 5 minutes to do this, so you need to work quickly.